You have 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours. Virat Kohli has 24 hours. Your school topper has 24 hours. The only thing that separates them from you is what they do in the first hour after waking up. This is the story of a boy who learnt that first hour's magic. In the lap of the Himalayas lay a tiny village, Kedapur. There lived a boy named Arjun. Everyone loved him, always ready to help, always smiling. But everyone also pitied him because Arjun had zero discipline. He woke up when the sun was already high. Studies. Later, bro. Food, sleep, everything. Whenever he felt like it. The whole village said the same thing. Arjun is smart, but without discipline, he'll become nothing. Arjun just laughed. Life is meant to be enjoyed, not controlled. One evening, tired after playing cricket, he lay under an old peepal tree. There, an old guru was teaching children. The greatest power in the world is not money, not strength, not even intelligence. It is discipline. The person who controls his time controls his life. Arjun walked up and asked, "Guruji, is discipline really that big a deal?" The guru smiled. "Come tomorrow before sunrise, and you'll find out yourself." That night, Arjun planned to sleep early, but friends dragged him to a bonfire by the river. Midnight came and went. Morning. First cock crow. Arjun pulled the blanket over his head. Two voices fought inside him. "Sleep, just today. Guruji is waiting. You gave your word." After a long struggle, he threw off the blanket and ran. He reached just as the first ray of sun touched the mountains. Guruji's eyes shone. "Congratulations, Arjun. Today you won the hardest battle, the battle against laziness." Then he took Arjun to the fields. Farmers were already working hard. Guruji said, "If they sleep in even one morning, the whole year's crop fails. Discipline is their real power." That day, something changed inside Arjun. He started small. 5 a.m. wake. No matter what. First hour, only studies. Play, yes, but fixed time. Sleep by 10 p.m. No phone, no excuses. First week, torture. Friends laughed. Arjun turned into a monk. Many nights he wanted to quit, but Guruji's words kept ringing. A river strikes the same rock every day, and one day it makes a hole. Discipline is the same. Small drops every day, and mountains move. Years passed. The lazy Arjun became the first to wake up, the hardest to study, the quickest to help. He topped school, got a great job in the city. Whenever he returned to the village, children surrounded him. "Arjun Bhaiya, teach us your secret." One day the old guru called him and said, "Arjun, I'm proud of you. You proved it. Discipline turns an ordinary boy into a legend." Arjun touched his feet. "Guruji, you showed the path. I just walked it." Even today in Kedapur, when a child sleeps late, elders smile and say, "Beta, remember Arjun. If he could change, so can you." So the next time your alarm rings at 5 a.m., remember, that first hour isn't just 60 minutes. It's the magic that decides whether you remain ordinary or become the Elon Musk, the Virat Kohli, the topper of your own life. Start tomorrow, just 1 hour. Discipline is not a chain. It is the magic that turns a lazy dreamer into a king. Start today, just one small step. Watch how your whole life changes. Your future self will thank you. If this touched your heart, give it a like and subscribe to join our journey of courage and discipline.